the struggle, thinking about my hustle. Gotta get paid, but I don't wanna move a muscle. Got me feeling like a dog, caged with a muzzle. Living in this world where nobody can trust you. But what can you do? Where can you go? It's hard to live a life when you're constantly broke. So you gotta keep your head up, even when you're fed up. Gotta stay strong, cause the stress will never let up. And hope that it gets better, you can make it through the weather. I know times is rough and tough like leather, and I'm ready to snap, but I gotta relax. Can't jump to conclusions without knowing the facts. I'm sitting with Paps, smoking the packs. Got myself a strap, ready and loaded, just clap. The stress level stacks, stacks and just stacks. Keeps on going till I'm ready to collapse. So I revive myself, survive my wealth. Don't have no health, so I revive myself, survive my wealth. Will have that health, so I revive myself, survive my wealth. Don't have no health, so I revive myself, survive my wealth. Will have that health, so I survive.
Man, I've been surviving 16 years of this shit. My mother's always had us in fucked up predicaments. Like something going wrong, now she can't pay the rent. So we get our bills paid by the fucking government. This ain't the life I want, I gotta see what's next. So I gotta get my own grind and cash my own checks. I'm tired of being broke, I'm tired of living stressed, I'm tired of living wrong, I'm tired of the test. I sit back and wonder like what the fuck's left. So I gotta grind to survive, to do my best. But now these motherfuckers is hating to the death, cause I'm so ahead, at least 100 steps. So if you gonna hate, go on and be my guest. Just know I'm the king, motherfucker, then let it rest. Man, I've been surviving 16 years of this shit. I'ma keep going strong, man, I'm never gonna quit.
So I revive myself, survive my wealth. Don't have no health, so I revive myself, survive my wealth. Will have that health, so I revive myself, survive my wealth. Don't have no health, so I revive myself, survive my wealth. Will have that health, so I survive.
Stop until I'm dropping, got all the brothers popping. You acting like a nerd, teeth to the curb, nerd stopping. Cause dog, I'm surviving, I'm out the hood smiling. Every day is like a gift, so I'm chilling out the wildin'. Stop the profiling that I'm getting while I'm rhyming. Taking that I'm black, you better stop all the lying. Verses that I spit, every one is a classic. That's why I never slip, I'm surviving on you bastards. This rhyme goes out to my people in a man's jail. At least you ain't got leg and hand cell. Issue side toasted to the motherfucking X. That's the shit that kills in my motherfucking chest. Reviving myself with every single breath. Survive through the best, trying to bring on the rest. Ain't got no help, but I still get this wealth. I got kids now, can't be thinking about myself.
So I revive myself, survive my wealth. Don't have no health, so I revive myself, survive my wealth. Will have that health, so I revive myself, survive my wealth. Don't have no health, so I revive myself, survive my wealth. Will have that health, so I survive.